How to enable adaptive battery on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to let your device automatically manage battery usage for apps you use less often. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Battery and Device Care. From there, tap on Battery. At this point, tap on More Battery Settings. In the next step, look for Adaptive Battery in the list. Following this, toggle it on. Once done, your device will now learn your app usage patterns and limit battery use for apps you rarely open. From here, keep in mind, this may take a few days to fully adjust since it learns based on your ongoing habits. At this stage, apps you use frequently won't be affected since this feature specifically targets rarely used ones. Keep in mind, if a rarely used app suddenly stops sending notifications properly, you may need to manually allow unrestricted battery access for that specific app instead. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've enabled this setting. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable adaptive battery on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.